Hi, I'm Amalia. I'm a navigator at Undivided, and I'm going to show you how to use the Goal Workspace. After you log in, go to your roadmap. And to start a goal, simply click on the goal you'd like to work on. Note that only goals set for the current year can be selected. You will receive confirmation that the goal transitioned to In Progress, and any associated tasks will be automatically added to your task list. Each time you log in, your home screen will conveniently display all your in-progress goals, along with any related tasks. Hover to the right to access additional context for the task, including specific step references and detailed information. Return to the goal in the roadmap. Because you've started the goal, the button will say Workspace. Select Workspace, and that's where you'll find step-by-step instructions to achieve the goal. You can manage tasks by scrolling through and marking them off here, or directly from your main task list. Create your own tasks under Other Tasks and use the Notes section for additional information. Many goals involve gathering specific documents, which can be conveniently saved here in the Goal Workspace. To view all the steps together, click View All Steps. You can seamlessly switch between steps and tasks according to your preference. Each check mark brings you one step closer to achieving your child's goals. And that's how you use your workspace. Your workspace centralizes all goal-related materials, keeping you prepared and organized with ease. Contact support at undivided.io if you need help or want to learn more.